Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer email templates from SendGrid to Mailchimp transactional, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the templates section in the SendGrid dashboard. Choose the email template you wish to transfer. Open the selected template to access its details. Select the Edit button to view the HTML code of the template. Copy the entire HTML code for your chosen template. Log out of your SendGrid account once you have copied the HTML. Next, log into your Mailchimp account. From the Mailchimp dashboard, click on Campaigns. Select Email Templates from the Campaigns menu. Click the Create Template button to start a new template. Choose the code your own option to paste your HTML. In the code editor, paste the HTML code you copied from SendGrid. Ensure that the pasted HTML is formatted correctly. Use the preview option to check how the template looks in Mailchimp. Make any necessary adjustments and edits to align with Mailchimp's formatting. Once satisfied with the appearance, click Save and Exit. Label your new template for easy identification in the future. Test the new template by sending a test email to yourself. Review the test email for accuracy and design quality. If everything looks good, your template is now ready to use in Mailchimp. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your email template from SendGrid to Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.